Do you want to avoid losing thousands of dollars while negotiating a salary? Well, stick around. Today, I'm going to discuss top 5 mistakes that can cost you money. Well, lot of money. Today, we are deep diving into the biggest mistake which people make when negotiating salaries over email. By end of this video, you will know exactly what to avoid and how to turn your next negotiation into a win. Did you know that one simple mistake can cost you up to $5,000 or even rejection of a job offer? With this video, you will be able to conquer the fear of messing up your job offer while negotiating your salary. Hello everyone, welcome to School of Management. Myself Vijay Kumar, and today we are going to discuss top 5 mistakes of salary negotiation with real life example. So let's get started. Mistake number 1, not doing enough research. Remember, research and preparation are the key for success of your negotiation. Imagine walking into negotiation blind, terrifying. Right? Knowing your worth is crucial. Check out websites like Glassdoor or LinkedIn Salary to see what others are making in your role. A friend of mine did this, and guess what? He found out he was underpaid by 15%. That knowledge gave him confidence to ask for more, and he got 10% raise. Amazing, right? Always remember, knowledge is true power. Mistake number 2, being too aggressive or too passive. Remember, salary negotiation is an art as well as science. It's all about finding the balance between your aggressiveness and passiveness. So, have you ever tried to talk someone when they are busy? Well, not the best idea. The best time to send your negotiation email is right after you have received the job offer, but you have not accepted it. This is when the company is most excited about you. Timing. Timing can make or break your negotiation. Always remember, a right message at the right time in a right way can do wonder for you. Mistake number 3, ignoring the employer perspective. Always highlight your value which is beneficial for employer. Your email should show off your skill and how they can help the company. Think of it like a mini resume. Use clear numbers like I have increased the sale by 20%. This will help you to make your case. Now let's talk about another important thing, that is confidence. A confidence can make a good negotiation into a great one. Remember, it's very normal to feel anxious while negotiating a salary, but you can avoid it. Mistake number 4, failing to prepare a counter offer. Always ready with a counter offer with several options. Never stick to one number. Be ready to be flexible. Mistake number 5, not doing enough practice. Remember, at some point of time, you may need to have a face-to-face or telephonic conversation for your salary. Practice makes a man perfect. Find a friend or mentor to role play with. It might feel silly, but it works. Mistake number 6, sending improper email structure. Remember, this is big one and very common mistake. Structure is a key for salary negotiation. Your email should be clear and professional. Start with a polite greeting, introduce your request, back it up with the evidence, and end it with a thank you note. Here is a quick example. Dear, your manager's name, I'm excited about the opportunity to join the company name. Based on my experience and industry standards, I would like to discuss the salary offer. I have successfully increased the sale by 20% in my previous role, and I'm confident I can bring similar results to your team. Thank you for considering my request. See? Simple and effective email structure. Mistake number 7, improper language and tone. Always keep it friendly but respectful. Remember, salary negotiation is all about finding a win-win situation for you as well as employer. Avoid making firm demands. Use phrases like I would like to discuss or I was hoping we could consider. A polite tone goes a long way. Think of it as a chat, not a fight. In salary negotiation, there is no highway or my way. It's all about creating a win-win situation for you as well as employer. So, there you have it. Top 5 common mistakes while negotiating your salary. Always remember, a salary cannot define your future career path. So, always remain positive, calm, and be prepared. Remember, you are not just negotiating a salary, you are standing up for your work. So, you have strategy, tips, and confidence to make it happen. And now, go get the damn money. If you find this video helpful, then hit the like and subscribe button and share it with your friend. And if you have any question regarding the salary negotiation, then use the comment section below. We would love to hear from you. Good luck for your next salary negotiation. Until next time, stay sharp, stay focused, and let's achieve a salary negotiation success together. Bye for now.